Hello class, this is Anastasios from Team 7. Here it's the definition problem. Our team had to create three instruments, a string, a wind, and a percussion. They had to reach certain frequency, they had to be certain size, they had to fit in a 2x2x2 box, they had to be under $15. I created the string instrument. My instrument is right here. It's light, it's durable, it's easy to hold, easy to play, aesthetically pleasing, and producing a clear sound. Here is the pictures of my instrument. And the way it works, it has 4 strings of different thickness, and you can plug the string shorter to produce a different frequency. My theoretical frequency was between about 99 to 828 Hz. That was much different than the actual frequency, which, according to Audacity, was 153 Hz to 371 Hz, as you guys can see here. And the design went through modifications from the beginning. The major modifications was the following. I designed the instrument to have a cylindrical shape, body, and end up having more of a conical shape body due to materials available. In addition, you guys can see here that the string, the tension of the string is supported by both the neck and the body, while in actuality, the instrument I make, the tension is supported exclusively by the neck. Finally, for better sound amplification, I decided to put the neck inside the body of the instrument, while in the original design was not. As you guys can see here, the budget was below 15. What did I learn from this process? Lots of stuff, including engineering process, using of software, apply physical equations. What was challenging? Working with a team, especially over the internet, schedule, stuff like that. Creating the instrument was difficult, and particularly to create the frequencies needed to maintain the price below budget, and to maintain the tension of the strings. That was hard. Future improvements. Frequency. We need better frequency. It covered the song, but I like better frequency. Better winding mechanism, and a guitar strap, and probably paint it a little better, try to improve aesthetics. So I'm going to demonstrate my instrument a little bit to you, and as you guys can see, I'm a rock star. Thank you.